As things start to wind down at the end of the year, it's very tempting to turn on the autopilot, coast into January, and run the same play all over again. But if you're looking to improve and grow, well, it's important to keep the 3 R's in mind: reconnect, review, and roadmap. We're going to talk about that right now, but first do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want the best Heat Press content in your feed, subscribe to our channel while you're at it. Let's talk about the first R, reconnect. The end of the year is a great time to reconnect with your customers with an appropriate, thoughtful gesture. You should be sending a nice thank you message to your whole email list, especially clients you've worked with this year. Now, you could sweeten this interaction a little bit and drum up some new business by including a discount code. Is there a person or a company who spent a lot of money with you? Like so much money that you'd be kind of bummed to lose that business in the coming year? Send them a gift. Find a nice item, put your client's logo on it, not your logo, and send it to them with a handwritten card thanking them for their business. The second R is review. When it comes to your business's performance, there's how you think it went versus how it actually went. And it's very important to review all of the available data so you could know how it actually went. Unlike your ex, the data doesn't lie. Sales data tells a story of when, where, and how people spent their money with you. What months were the most profitable for you? What specific products or styles sold best? Are there any products that need to be cut? Don't follow your heart here, follow the data. Social media analytics are crucial for figuring out what kind of content works and what doesn't. Views, likes, comments, all of these are real ways that your customers let you know what they like and don't like. Lean into what works and don't be afraid to try new things. Marketing campaigns like social media ads and email newsletters should be reviewed as well. Was there a significant return? Did you lose money? And once you've reviewed the data, you could fine-tune your campaigns to be more effective and produce a better ROI. The third R is roadmap. Once you've done your big self-review, roadmap the coming year while that information is still fresh on your mind. Set goals and make a plan to achieve them. Goals are like a pyramid. The main goal is on top, with smaller goals and actions supporting it. And if an action doesn't support the goal above it, get rid of it. By the way, your calendar is your best friend. Your calendar isn't just marked for the date of an event like Christmas. You got to count back about 3 to 4 weeks and mark the start date for your campaign, then count back another 3 to 4 weeks and mark the date to start getting everything organized and set up. Of course, this is just a general tip. You'll have to fine-tune this timing to fit your specific needs. It's so easy to get lost if you don't know where you're going. By taking the time to reconnect, review, and roadmap for your business, you'll be starting the new year with a huge advantage. A little bit of time and effort invested now will pay dividends down the road. And remember, your business is worth it. From everyone here at Heat Press Nation, we hope you have a happy holiday season and wish prosperity and success for you and your business in the new year.